It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with JSP. About to get a new HVAC system? Before the tools come out, here's how to ask the right questions and stay cool with your install. Is this unit properly sized for my home? An oversized or undersized system can lead to poor performance, higher energy bills, and uncomfortable temperatures. Ask for detailed installation plans. What exactly are they doing? How long will it take? And what should you expect during the process? A reputable tech will walk you through every step of the plan and explain why those decisions matter. Now talk budget. What's the total cost, including labor and extras? Is financing available? Don't forget to ask about current rebates, tax credits, or seasonal specials. They can save you hundreds. Remember to be wary of vague answers, lack of written estimates, high-pressure sales tactics, or unclear warranty terms. If something feels off, trust your gut and get a second opinion. We thought you'd like to know.